Feeling uncomfortable at home or your business because of air conditioning troubles? Elisee HVAC Services is here for you. Our comprehensive HVAC installation guarantees optimal performance and energy efficiency, making your home or business comfortable year-round. When your AC stops working, our reliable air conditioning repair team provides fast, efficient solutions, ensuring you're cool during those scorching Texas summers. And when temperatures drop, rely on our efficient heating solutions, tailored specifically to your comfort and budget. Our customized routine maintenance plans help prolong your air conditioning system's life, maximizing efficiency and preventing unexpected problems. We also prioritize your family's health with advanced indoor air quality solutions, creating cleaner, healthier indoor spaces. And if something unexpected happens, our emergency HVAC services are available 24/7, ensuring your comfort is quickly restored anytime, day or night. Elisee HVAC Services, your trusted HVAC partner in Cypress, Texas. Comfort, reliability, and expertise, just a call away. Call us today or visit us online. Elisee HVAC Services, your comfort is our commitment.